If you need to cancel a pending transfer on LendingClub, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your LendingClub account by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Find the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Review the details to confirm it is the correct transaction before proceeding. Step 4. Select the cancel option. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. Look for an option to cancel or withdraw the transfer. Click this option to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. After completing these steps, you should have successfully cancelled your pending transfer on LendingClub. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to LendingClub's customer support for further assistance.